Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to online education system. I'm your science teacher. Today we are going to start with the working of chapter number 2, health and hygiene. Reading and explanation is already done to you people. Today we are going to start with the video number 6, working of health and hygiene, chapter number 2. First of all, you are going to make the title page of chapter number 2. You have to make a good title page of it. Now, you are going to make an index of these topic. Health and hygiene, chapter number 2. Today we are going to start with exercise C and then exercise D. Exercise C, question number 1. What are the deficiency diseases? Write the heading of deficiency diseases. Now the definition is diseases which are caused by lack or deficiency of nutrients. They are called deficiency diseases. Question number 2. What food should be included in our diet to prevent anemia? Answer is vegetables, liver and fish should be included in our diet to prevent anemia. Now question number 3 is, what diseases are caused by virus? Answer, diseases caused by virus are cold, influenza, bird flu, swine flu and polio. Question number 4. Name some waterborne diseases caused by bacteria. Answer, some waterborne diseases caused by bacteria are cholera, typhoid, jaundice and diarrhea. Question number 5. Name 3 diseases for which vaccines are available. Answer, 3 diseases for which vaccines are available are typhoid, tetanus and polio. Now we are going to start with the exercise D. Answer these questions in short. Question number 1 of exercise D is, what is a balanced diet? Now you are going to place a heading of balanced diet, and then the definition of balanced diet is a diet that included all the nutrients in their right proportion is called balanced diet. Now question number 2 is, how does milk food group help us? Now the answer is, milk food group help us to build strong bones and teeth by providing calcium, proteins and vitamins. The question number 3 of exercise is, what is pasteurization? Answer is, pasteurization is a boiling process of milk at 60 degrees to kill germs which cause sickness. What are non-communicable diseases? This is the question number 4. Answer, diseases which do not spread from one person to another are known as non-communicable diseases. Question number 5. What are the effects of vitamin D deficiency and how can it be prevented? Answer is, the deficiency of vitamin D is affected on bones which become thin and brittle. It can be prevented by taking milk group, meat group and exposing the body in sunshine. Question number 6 is, what is epidemic? The answer is, when a large number of people get the same diseases over the same period of time, it is called epidemic. Question number 7. Write a short note on how diseases spread through food. Answer, diseases spread through food in different ways, such as number 1, when flies sit on uncovered food. Number 2, when dust and soil is blown and settles on food. Number 3, when we do not wash hands properly after going to toilet. Now the last question is question number 8. Give 3 ways to stop diseases from spreading. The answer is, the 3 ways to stop diseases from spreading is by maintaining hygiene, by vaccination and by medicines. Okay students, we have done the two exercises, that is C and D of chapter number 2. You are going to do these two exercises in your copies. Complete your work up till here and then we will see you soon inshallah. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.